Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain how to merge the two statements when they have provided more than a single statement in the question. How to merge those two statements. Okay. Now, I'll explain now with some examples. Okay. First one. This is the statement they have given. Right. Now, we have to merge these two statements. If the first statement ends with a letter and the second statement starts with the same letter, then we will merge these statements very easily. Now I will show you. Okay. P is greater than R. Here we have to take a single R between these two statements. Okay. Now R is greater than or equals to J. J is less than F, and F is equals to U means whenever we see the equals to symbol, I have already told you that we have to remove that equals to symbol. Okay. No need to represent equals to symbol. Okay. So F U. Okay. This is the single equation we got here. Right. Now conclusions. These two are conclusions here. Now R is greater than F. Here R is here, F is here. Here greater than or equals to less than. Both the symbols are there. So this one does not follows. Now Q is greater than or equals to R. Q is here, R is here. Greater than or equals to greater than. But here if Q is greater than R means then it will be correct. Now here Q is greater than or equals to R. Now we have to consider the common symbol between Q and R. Here what is the common symbol? Greater than. So Q is greater than or equals to R is also wrong. Here what is the answer means? Neither 1 nor 2 follows is the answer for this particular question. Got it? Now I'll explain you the another example. Okay. Now we have to connect these three statements. Okay. Now I'll write here. Whenever we have equal to symbol, please remove that equals to symbol. Okay. We have to take one C. Here C is less than D, right? C is less than D. Here we have to take one E, right? E is less than or equals to F. And we have to remove that equals to symbol and write it as FG. These two are conclusions. Okay. Now we have to solve these two conclusions. A is less than or equals to G. A is here and G is here. In between A and G, both less than or equals to, less than, greater than, less than or equals to. Here both less than and greater than symbols are found. So this conclusion does not follows, and A is equals to G. A is here, G is here. In between A and G as usual. So both the symbols are there. So this conclusion is also does not follows. Here what is the answer means? This one is also neither 1 nor 2 follows. Got it? Here these are the statements and we have to merge these three statements into a single statement, right? Now JO greater than or equals to A, L greater than or equals to M, and M and G are equal. So this is the single statement we got here. J is greater than or equals to M is the conclusion one. J is here, M is here. In between J and M, both the symbols are greater than or equals to. So this one is correct. And J is greater than or equals to L. J is here, L is here, greater than or equals to. In between J and L, only one symbol is there, that is greater than or equals to. So this one is also follows. So here what is the answer means? Both conclusion 1 and 2 follows. Right? Now another example. Here these are the statements. Now we have to merge these statements. Okay. G is greater than or equals to L, L is less than M. Here O is equals to M. How can we write this? M is equals to O. We can also write this as M is equals to O. So, yeah, M, O and greater than or equals to Y. Y is less than J and Z. Right? This is the single equation we got here. Now, conclusions. G is greater than Y. G is here, Y is here. In between G and Y, greater than or equals to, less than, greater than or equals to. Different symbols, that is dissimilar symbols we found. So, this one is not follows, right? And O is greater than or equals to Z. O is here, Z is here. In between O and Z, the symbols are dissimilar. So, this one is also not follows. So, here what is the answer means? Neither 1 nor 2 follows. Correct? Now, we have to merge these two statements into a single statement. Right? B, S is less than or equals to Y, Y less than J and J less than K, K greater than or equals to P, greater than or equals to T. Now, the conclusions are B less than P. B is here, P is in between B and P. What are the symbols we have to see? Less than or equals to, less than, greater than or equals to. Dissimilar symbols. So, this one is wrong. And T less than or equals to K. T is here, K is here. Here, what is here? K is greater than or equals to T. How can we write this equation? T is less than or equals to K. We can also write this equation as T is less than or equals to K. Here in the conclusion, T is less than or equals to K is true. Here, what is the answer means? Only conclusion 2 follows. Right? So, this is the answer for this question. Hope you understand all the examples I have discussed today. This is the very easy topic in whole reasoning subject. Please practice well and practice more and more questions to get clarity about this topic. Okay? First, go through the basics. I have already discussed the basics and then come to this session. In further sessions, I will discuss some more difficult questions like how to match the statements when first statement ends with a letter and the second statement start with the different letter. Okay? In the next class, I will discuss about that topic. Please be thorough about basic session and this session also to get clarity about coded inequalities and then move to the another class. Okay? If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.